Hey Zane, are you free this weekend?
Hi, Lila. Yes, I'm free on Sunday. Why?
Let's go see that new movie.
Great idea. What time?
How about 3 p.m.? There's a good show.
Perfect. Should we meet at the theater?
Yes. At 2:45 in front of the ticket counter.
Okay. Should we eat something after?
Sure. I know a nice cafe nearby.
Sounds perfect. I'm excited.
Me too. It's been too long.
Yes, it has. See you on Sunday then.
See you. Don't forget.
Definitely. That's a good idea, Lila, to avoid the queue.
Also, do you want me to book the tickets online to be safe?
I'm really looking forward to catching up properly.
I'll book 2 tickets for the 3 p.m. show. I'll send you the confirmation.
Thanks, Lila. That saves us a lot of time.
Perfect. I've heard they have great desserts at that cafe too.
Oh, even better. I have a sweet tooth.
Good point, Zane. I'll bring a light jacket just in case.
Yeah, sometimes the theater air conditioning is too cold. See you then.
I'm also free for a bit after dinner if you want to take a walk in the park.
That sounds really nice, Lila. A walk would be the perfect way to end the day.
I know I've missed hanging out. This is going to be a really fun day.
It really will be. I'm so glad we're doing this, Lila.
Same idea. We should make this a monthly thing if you're up for it.
I'm absolutely up for it, Lila. It's a great plan.
Perfect. I'll see you Sunday then, Zane.
Me too. It's a date. I'll be there at 2:45.
I'm so hungry. What are you making?
I'm making simple vegetable curry.
That smells amazing. Is it spicy?
A little. Do you want to try some?
Yes, please. What's your favorite food?
I love biryani. It's my comfort food.
Mine is paneer tikka. I could eat it every day.
Do you know how to cook it?
A little. My mother taught me the basics.
That's nice. We should cook together sometime.
I'd like that. Maybe next weekend?
Sure. It will be fun. Here, taste this.
Wow, this is really good. You're a great cook.
Thank you. It's easy with practice.
Did you learn cooking from your family too, Sonia?
Yes, mostly from my grandmother. She taught me all her secrets.
What's the most special dish your grandmother taught you, Sonia?
Her special lamb biryani. It takes all day to make.
Her recipe must be fantastic. We could make it together sometime.
Yeah, she always says the secret is in the patience and the spices.
I'd love to try an authentic family recipe.
I would love to, Ravi. It'll be a fun project for a free day.
Do you prefer cooking with music on, Sonia, or in silence?
I always play some music, Ravi. It makes the kitchen feel more lively.
That's a fantastic idea. I can't wait for our cooking day.
Me too. It's fun. Do you want to make the biryani or try paneer tikka first?
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello. I have a prescription from my doctor.
Okay, let me see. Please wait a moment.
Sure, no problem.
This medicine is ready. Take it twice a day.
Before food or after food?
After food. Always with a full glass of water.
Thank you. Do you have any cough drops?
Yes, right here. Honey lemon flavor.
Perfect. I'll take 1 pack. How much in total?
350 rupees for everything.
Here you go. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
No, that's all for now, thank you.
Is there anything else you need?
Should I avoid anything with this medicine?
Avoid spicy foods while taking this medicine.
Okay, I will avoid spicy food completely.
Rest is also very important for recovery.
I will get plenty of rest, too.
Here is a pamphlet about your medicine.
Thank you for the extra information, Mrs. Desai.
Please follow all the instructions carefully. Ankit.
I will follow the instructions step by step.
Take care and have a nice day.
I feel much better already, thank you.
Return to your doctor if symptoms continue.
I will see my doctor again next week.
The cough drops are very soothing.
The cough drops taste good, by the way.
Store the medicine in a cool place.
I will keep it in the fridge.
Call us if you have any questions.
I appreciate your help. Thank you again.
What are you reading?
A mystery novel. It's very interesting.
Oh, I love mysteries. What's it about?
A detective solving a case in a small town.
Is it scary?
A little, but mostly exciting. Do you read often?
Yes, I read before bed every night. It helps me sleep.
That's a good habit. I read on the bus to work.
How many pages do you read a day?
About 20 or 30. It depends on my free time.
I read faster on weekends, maybe 50 pages.
That's impressive. Can I borrow this book after you?
Of course. I think you'll really like it.
Thanks. I'll give you a good book in return.
I've always been drawn to mystery novels in particular.
I like crime and mystery books the most.
The way they build suspense is so much fun and exciting.
I sometimes also read science fiction books for a change.
My absolute favorite author writes these incredible, clever mysteries.
I really love stories that have good and surprising twists.
I really enjoy the suspense and the unexpected plot twists.
I try my best to read something every single day.
A good mystery makes me think hard and pay attention.
It makes my bus ride to work much more enjoyable.
Sometimes I even try to guess the ending halfway through.
I often forget the time when I am reading a good book.
Reading is my favorite way to relax and unwind my mind.
Books are great because they teach me new things all the time.
I love sharing and swapping books with my friends too.
I also like to listen to audiobooks when I am busy.
It's such a nice and calming hobby to have.
Audiobooks are very good for when I am traveling somewhere.
Do you enjoy other types of books besides mysteries?
Yes, I also enjoy adventure stories because they are very fun.
We should totally start a little book club together.
Starting a book club sounds like a really great idea to me.
That actually sounds like a really great plan to me.
We should ask a few more friends to join.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the post office. Is it near here?
Yes, it's very close. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Straight on this road?
Yes. Then turn left at the big banyan tree.
Okay. And then?
Walk for 100 meters. You will see a white building.
The white building is the post office?
Yes, with a big blue sign. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Be careful crossing the road.
Is it usually very crowded at the post office?
It is often busy in the morning, but quieter now.
Do you know what time it closes today?
It closes at 5 p.m. today, so you have time.
I need to send an important letter quickly.
Important letters can be sent from the counter inside.
Thank you, that is very helpful to know.
You are very welcome. I am happy to help.
I will follow your directions carefully.
Take your time. The path is very straightforward.
You have been so kind, thank you again.
It is no trouble at all, young man.
Is there a bank near the post office too?
Yes, there is a bank right next to it.
I might need to buy stamps once I'm there.
You can buy stamps at the main service window.
I really appreciate you taking the time to help.
Safe travels, and have a good day.
Do they have a packing service for parcels?
Yes, they do packing and shipping at the back counter.
I will hurry to get there before closing.
You still have plenty of time, no need to rush.
Your directions are very clear and easy to follow.
I'm glad I could make it easy for you.
Thank you again for all your kindness today.
You are most welcome. Good luck with your errand.
How much for the tomatoes and the
40 rupees per kilo, sir. Very fresh.
onions? Give me
Onions are 30 rupees per kilo today.
1 kilo of each, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Do you have fresh coriander?
Yes, here. It's from my own garden.
Perfect. Give me 1 bunch. How much in total?
75 rupees, please. Thank you.
Do you have potatoes tomorrow? Good.
Yes, fresh stock comes in the morning.
I will come back then. Here is the money.
Thank you, sir.
Are the potatoes local or from another region?
They are local potatoes. Very good quality.
What time in the morning will they arrive?
They arrive around 7 a.m., sir.
The coriander smells very fresh and fragrant.
Thank you. I grow it without any chemicals.
Do you also sell green chilies by any chance?
Yes, green chilies are right here next to the onions.
The tomatoes look very red and ripe today.
Yes, they are new stock. Perfect for curry.
I always prefer to buy my vegetables from you. Thank you again.
That is very kind of you to say, sir.
I will see you tomorrow morning. I'll take a
You are most welcome. I will save some potatoes for you.
small bag of green chilies as well.
Of course, 1 bag of chilies coming right up.
Is there any discount if I buy in larger quantity?
Yes, for 5 kilos or more, I give a small discount.
Please make sure the potatoes are firm and
I will pick the best ones for you personally, sir.
fresh. I appreciate you saving them for me. Thank you.
It is my pleasure to help a good customer like you.
You look tired today.
Yes, I have a lot of work. Many deadlines.
I understand. My week is also very busy.
How do you manage the stress?
I take short breaks. I drink tea and listen to music.
That sounds nice. Maybe I should try that.
Yes. And I make a small list of tasks every morning.
That's smart. I always forget something important.
The list helps a lot. You should do it too.
Thank you for the advice. I will start tomorrow.
Good. And remember to eat lunch on time.
You're right. I often skip meals when I'm busy.
Don't do that. Your health is more important.
Thank you, Priyanka. I feel better already.
You really need to make time for yourself during work.
You're right, I should take breaks, but I get too focused.
Sometimes a 5-minute walk outside can clear your head.
A short walk sounds like a great idea, actually.
I also try to finish one important task before lunch.
Finishing one big task early does sound motivating.
It gives me a sense of accomplishment early in the day.
I'll try that technique starting from tomorrow morning.
Planning the night before helps me feel prepared in the morning.
Planning at night might help me sleep better too.
You should try planning your next day tonight, Rohan.
I usually check emails in bed. Maybe that's my problem.
Avoid checking emails right before you go to bed.
I'll keep my phone away from my bed tonight.
It makes it harder to sleep well and relax properly.
You give really helpful advice, Priyanka.
A good night's rest makes a huge difference for me.
Thank you again. I feel more motivated to manage my time better now.